It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Today we're going to do an experiment with two 12 by 12 canvases. John has covered his with black paint. I've covered mine with white paint. What we did was we poured in our cups, hopefully you can see them, can they see them, John?
Yes, they can.
Okay. The same colors, except in between each layer I have black paint, and in between each layer he has put white paint. Now the colors we're using are Apple Barrel Gloss Tropical Blue, Apple Barrel Gloss Dandelion, Apple Barrel Laguna, Apple Barrel Sublime Lime, Apple Barrel Pure Pink, Apple Barrel Tangelo, Apple Barrel Spring Green, and Artist Loft White and Artist Loft Black. Now what we did too was we lined the cups with a little bit of the coconut milk.
Yeah.
Okay, seems like John has more paint in his than I have in mine, but we're gonna just test this out. We're gonna do.
Add some more?
No, if I need more, I'll add it
Okay.
in there. We're gonna do a flip cup, right? Have you done a flip cup
I've never
before,
done a
John?
flip. Never done a flip cup.
Okay, you
So I'm
wanna
gonna
go?
do this real fast and turn it upside down.
Are you gonna do it that way, or are you gonna take the thing and do it?
I'll take the thing and do it.
All right, you're gonna lift up the canvas?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
You too?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. You going at the same time?
Okay. Now you're supposed to go like. You're supposed to go like this.
I never did this before. How am I supposed to know? Looks good to
hold
me.
on. Turn this over. Like
Oh,
that.
you're so smart. Why didn't I pay attention to you? Oh, look at that. You don't even get any juice all over the thing.
Well, that may be a
I
good
got
thing.
cells,
That may be a bad thing. Yeah, there you go.
I don't know why. Dude, it's I wonder if I need to pop a hole in the bottom. Is there a pop a hole in the bottom?
You could if you want to. Then there go our cups. And we can't use them again.
We only have about 1,000 of them, right?
No, these we only have a couple of.
Oh, hold on.
Mine looks more mixed up than yours does. Okay, you put yours. Oh, look, it's gonna go over the side.
Okay, I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
Go ahead, you go first. Put the stuff on the end so you.
Yes, dear.
Oh, I put mine in the middle. I probably shouldn't have done that.
Hey, we got a cup. It's empty.
Hopefully there's enough. I'm pouring over the edges, so.
Ready.
Alright. I'll let you go first, because once you start, you don't want to have to stop.
I never done. Oh, look at this. I hate that. Look how pretty little tails here.
Yeah, you got a lot of cells there. Now let's do it.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Could be a fish.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. Don't get rid of that one. Are you facing the camera so they see what you're doing? Like you tell me all the time?
You know, I did tell you that, don't I?
Yeah, it's easier said than done, isn't it?
Yeah, of course.
That's why it's nice when people have the cameras up above their head, because then they don't have to worry about it.
Okay,
Oh, careful, careful.
I'm gonna be careful with mine.
You're going like that with your gloves on.
Okay, I'm gonna heat mine while you see what happens and while you do your little thing there. Let me get on your way. Which way are you going?
I'm gonna go that way, I guess.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna go this way a little bit and pull it
Yeah,
back.
that sounds good to me.
Ready?
Yeah, sure. Ooh. Looks like a ping pong pad.
I got a lot of black.
Ooh, look at them fuckers. Oh, I like yours. I like your colors. It's amazing they're the same colors except for the black, right? Everything's the same except for the black.
Yep, black on one and white on the other. It's interesting when you don't try to get any cells, you get cells. Oh, cool. Wow, I didn't think you were gonna get anything like that. Did you?
No.
Oh,
Interesting. This paint is mixed with Deco Art instead of Floetrol, right?
Floetrol and,
Oh, both.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Floetrol, Deco. Wow.
Very
What a
pretty.
difference in the two pictures. The only difference in color was that this started with a black canvas, started with a white canvas. This had white between the colors and that had black between the colors. You'd never really realize that they're the same colors in the picture, you know?
I know. Oops.
You did any color? I got quite a bit around the edges.
I got quite a bit too, so.
Seemed like you could have added a little bit more. I could have added a little bit less.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, is that me?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's really not that, with these bigger ones, it's really not the best thing for both.
When we get into each other's way.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a cell or is that a lump or something?
No, it's a cell. Oh, you pushed a hole. I didn't punch a hole in mine, huh?
No, how did it empty out? Mine emptied out pretty good. You swiped it out. It looks nice. Spacey.
I need,
Really?
I think I just need to put some more here so it
Yeah,
flows a bit.
Want some turquoise? Yellow?
Wow, that came out cool. Cool, I like that. You leaving the ends like that? Like
Oh,
where they're
yeah,
still black?
I don't like colored ends if I don't have to. A lot of people know it was black canvas. Still making cells. I wonder how it would be if I swiped a little bit and pulled some of that black up, if that would. But it's still making more cells. As we stand here, the cells are just popping up.
That's cool.
Little tiny ones, big ones, amoeba looking ones.
Well, I got funky looking cells, but I'll take them because I usually don't get any cells.
Now that's it, we tried this yet, haven't we?
No, I'm gonna do that now. Thank you.
There you go. The gray color starting to pop up things down there. Looks nice.
I like this area right there. It's not very bright, but I'll do, yours is really cool. I like yours a lot.
We will swap. Okay. should be about it for now. Get on to the next one.
It's very interesting how this same paints just started out with different canvas color and different color in between each layer. I had obviously black in mine, and John obviously had white in his. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Ring the bell.
Yeah, ring the bell. Do everything. We need some more views, please. We're trying this out. We're hoping this is our first time doing this type of painting, any kind of painting, and our first adventure doing YouTube. I almost said Yoo-hoo.
I always liked Yoo-hoo when I was a kid.
So check out our other paintings on eBay under username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.